We have arrived to this beautiful little lake that is called Ipsaycocha, and here we're going to stop for lunch, and we're just going to rest and enjoy the scenery. We have some wildlife like Puna ibises. We have other water birds that we can watch with the binoculars. We have seen some dogs also that are around, llamas, alpacas, geese, you know, and just the beautiful scenery here in the lake Ipsaycocha. And in a little while, I'm going to introduce our friend, our cook, Eufemio, who is helping us with the horses and also with the cooking. Okay, see you later.
Chévere, good.